If you want to use voice typing on OnePlus 15, first we need to make sure that it is enabled in keyboard settings. So we're gonna go to settings on our phone, scroll down to the system and update, and then we're gonna go to input method. In here we can find manage keyboards, then you want to choose Gboard because this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone, and then we should be able to find the voice typing option. Of course it should be enabled, and also you can enable faster voice typing as well, just to make sure that it is even more accurate. Now once it is enabled, if you open the keyboard, then on the right side you should be able to find this microphone. And if you tap on this microphone, whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text, as you can see on the screen right now. And there we go. Sometimes you can automatically disable the microphone when you stop speaking, or when you end your sentence. However, in some other cases you will have to tap on the microphone manually in order to turn it off. So I'm not sure how exactly it works, I couldn't figure it out yet, but this is how it works over here. And of course, if you tap on the microphone for the first time, you will have to grant the permission for the keyboard to let the keyboard use the microphone and record you, so that of course the speech can be converted into the text. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.